Today's tutorial, how to compress PDF files in Java. Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to dive into how to compress PDF files in Java using the IronPDF library. In our pom.xml file, we've already added the IronPDF dependency. You can easily find this dependency on the IronPDF website. Once you have that in place, we can move on to our Java code. In our app.java file, we begin by importing the necessary classes from the IronPDF library. These include com.ironsoftware.ironpdf and java.nio.file.pass. Next, we define our app class and the main method. Inside the main method, we need to handle our IronPDF license key. So we fetch this from the environment variable called IronPDF license key. License key set, we call license.setLicenseKey, parentheses license key, to activate our IronPDF license. So now let's move on to compressing the PDF. We specified the source file of our PDF, in this case, assets/image base pdf.pdf. We then create a PDF document object by loading the PDF file using PDF document.fromFile, parentheses, paths.get, parentheses, src. To compress the images in the PDF, we use the compress images method. This method takes two parameters. The first parameter is a value between 1 and 100, representing the compression level. A higher number means better image quality. So here we set it to 90. The second parameter of the compress images method is a Boolean that determines whether to scale down the image resolution based on its visible size in the PDF. We set this to true to enable image scaling, though this might cause some distortion depending on the image configuration. Next, we define the destination path of our compressed PDF, which is assets/compress.pdf. We then save the compressed PDF using pdf.saveas, parentheses, paths.get, parentheses, dest for destination. So let's go ahead and run our program. The execution has been completed, so let's compare the file sizes of the original and compressed PDFs. Here you can see the original PDF size was 225 kilobytes. After compression, the PDF size has been reduced down to 71 kilobytes. And that's a significant reduction of roughly 68%, smaller than the original file. And that's it. You've successfully compressed a PDF file in Java using the IronPDF library. It's a simple yet powerful way to manage your PDF sizes without losing too much quality. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you'd like to get started with IronPDF, go ahead and sign up for a trial on the site and continue to download, install the package, and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below in the description. Check it out for yourself.